But wait, I can't hear you. Oh god, here we go. Oh, I found you, Don. So I need my flashlight. Whoa, where did you go? Oh god. Oh god. Why? I don't want to sound like no bitch. Okay, low key, I just heard fucking something touch me. Okay, this is, y'all's got me fucked up. Okay, what the hell, dude? Really? Bring me right here? Or just fucking, really? When there's fucking nooses? Are you for real right now? I'm not going up the stairs. I'm not doing it. Nope, I'm not doing it. You can kiss my ass cheeks. And now you're running away from me, you fucking whore. Stop running away from me. God damn it. I can't say that word for the internet. People will hate me forever. Where's Slender? Can we just kick him? And then just go find the fucking tapes? Wow. So we just have to run like little bitches? Alright, well now I can actually... What? No, I'm not ready. You know Kevin Hart? Yeah, this is how I feel right now. What the fuck is that? Oh. Yeah?
Alright, I'll talk to you later, dude. Okay, peace.
You can't kill him. He won't die. Oh, but I will. Everyone will.
God, I'm scared. Don, don't talk to me right now. I'm scared. Don, hold me. Hold me. Hold me, Jesus Christ. Scared. Oh, fuck no. I'm out. Deuces. I am out. Hasta la vista, motherfuckers. Dude, I'm shitting my pants. Fucking Christ, man. Why do we... Oh, turn the light out, turn the light out. No, turn it on, turn it on, turn it on. What do we do, Don? What do we do? What the fuck? What the fuck? Dude, don't fucking say that. Come on, that's fucked up. Oh, he's behind you! Ah! I'm fucking with you, dude. He's not behind you. Yeah, no, why is he stalking us? Why does he like stalking little kids? I don't get that. Why did you make me get this, bro? Come on, you got me fucked up. Oh, fuck no, I'm out. Don, where did you go? Don, oh shit. Okay, there you go. Turn my light out. Fuck no, this... Yeah, bitch, what you gonna do, slut monkey? Can we cross the stream? Oh, it's right here. Don, I swear to God, if we get fucked up, bro, I'm fucking killing you. I'm gonna murder. No, he got me! He got me! my god, what the fuck? Oh my god.